We're looking at the Taurus Camp base wallet. Open this up and leather bag. Excellent example of instructions that go into a particular wallet. And here we have it. This is the 8 centimeter size. This is the standard size. And I would only order this one, mainly because it fits all currencies. The other one is a 7 centimeter, a little bit narrower. Just go for this one because it's just not that big. Let's take a look. This is one piece of leather. Wait till you see this and you're going to go, wow, that's kind of a lot of origami. Well, let me show you. Unsnap. Oh man, look at all that. Whoa, look at all that. Nice card. Cards. Hey, thank you. You can see that this is orange for one. Comes in 19 colors, if you can believe it. They're hand dyed, and look, it's dyed on both sides. I personally really like that. And see that there's some exposure right here. We'll see how that functions. Just a great wallet. And look at this burnishing here too. That's just excellent. Wonderful. No features on the front, but if we go to the back, we can see we have a quick access card slot right here. Fantastic. Again, every wallet should have one. If we look at what we see right here on the side, we've got an interior cash slot right here. And we'll see that this little angle here helps you push it from here and it comes out. So again, you can have access to cash and a card in a quick access fashion before you open this up. Open this up, and immediately here we have a card slot. And what's cool, depending on your use at any given time, is this slot in the back can either be for cards or coins. Coins can fit in here perfectly because they're trapped at the bottom. There's no way they're getting out either side. And the flap closes tight, so nothing will get out of the top here. So you really can put some coins back here, of which it is built to do, and give you some security. And that is a quick review of the features of the Taurus Camp base wallet. Now we love the Taurus Camp grain wallet, so to review the base wallet is a must. Now remember, we purchase all the wallets we review. We own them and nobody buys our reviews. Now it measures 4.2 by 3.1 by 0.3, and it weighs 63 grams. Minimalist card, 4. Reasonable, 6. Company recommends up to 8 cards. And I put 12 slips of cash in here. All the currencies work, as you noticed. It's amazing. And let me show you how you get to the currency. Right here, you have this little slot we talked about. You stick your finger in there and you just push it and out comes your cash, just like that. Voila. You push it back in. And again, of course, you can reach in here and do this, but that's not as convenient as just sticking your finger in here and pushing it out. I like it. I mean, the designs constantly evolve because he's tinkering and making changes based on what he sees by way of his users. And, you know, people who own this wallet, it's just an amazing witness of how he evolves this wallet. But that's how you get to cash. The weight of the leather is perfect to provide a strong, stable leather experience while still keeping the wallet very thin. This is not flimsy leather, even though it looks like it's a pretty tight cut here, and the weight is, I'd say, is just perfect. It is not flimsy. This really provides a great experience. It's priced for $66. The wallet is compact, and with a quick access slot right here in the back, it just makes it awesome. Access to cash is also quick, like I showed you. Overall, the one thing I love about this wallet is the ability to carry cards, cash, coins, or keys. And it still is a wonderful footprint. There's always some kind of compensation that's made and a balance when you start getting into coins and keys and that kind of stuff. But it isn't something you have to give up for this. Now you can see how it fits in a pocket. Not that bad of a deal. Very thin as it goes in, and not a hard sell either in the front or rear pocket. One thing I also wanted to point out were these notches right here in this leather. Well, this is where you've got cards, and you could have more cards or cash, or really, this is where you're going to put coins. And the ability to use your finger and thumb to grab those is part of the thinking process. Notice how they're stepped here, so you're having access to one or the other. Clever thinking. I love the unique designs that this company has come up with and they function under. The time they took to think through all the elements for this high-functioning wallet is really impressive to me, and it shows they went the extra effort on the aesthetics as they balance the design and the functionality. So now let's get on to the final score. For quality of 5, this is a full-grain veg tanned, dyed on both sides, excellent construction. Price of 4, as prices in the industry have increased, Taurus Camp wallets, they've stayed pretty consistent. Features of 4, it's compact, being able to carry cards, cash, coins, keys, and still maintain this footprint with all those features, awesome. Usability, 4, easy to use, especially not being required to open it up for quick card access and even cash. And perception of 4. Sajid continues to provide great customer service and clean product line, and it's just wonderful communication. And that gives us a final score of 43 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.